It's the wedding season, and here at Brides today, we are diving into the rich and beautiful traditions of South Indian wedding. I'm in Hyderabad, excited to take you inside our first Telugu wedding. So Spandana, tell us something about yourself.
I was born and brought up here in Hyderabad. I'm a single child. I don't have any siblings, so I guess that explains I'm really, really close to my parents. Growing up, my dad was a very strict father, like I guess most fathers, right? Like I said, I'm really, really close to my mom. I think I had complete freedom to do whatever I wanted, and she's always been my pillar of support. Not for my mom, I don't think I'd be where I am. And I'm really going to miss her. It's not going to be the same, but it's okay. I know I'm going to be spending the rest of my life with someone I love, but it's definitely going to be different without my mom.
Spandana is the center of my universe. She is my only child. I'm happy that she is getting married, but the thought of her leaving is also making me sad.
What was your first reaction when she told you that, Mom, I need you to find a guy for me?
They need some companion and she has to start a new life. So we both felt happy. Very nice, and he was a cool guy. We too liked him.
I'm very happy to have found the person I want to spend the rest of my life with. And it all completely made sense, right? As to why it did not work out with anyone else and why it worked out with him. I think he's just brilliant. I think he's the most amazing person I've ever met in my entire life. I mean, I absolutely love him. And yeah, I'm really, really excited about the wedding.
So what makes a classic traditional Telugu bride?
Any classic traditional bride would wear a Kanjivaram sari. So the sari that I chose for myself is a red sari. And for the rest of the jewelry, there are many pieces and all of them are traditional Telugu pieces. So we all know that a bridal look is incomplete without a perfect jewelry. But when it comes to adorning a quintessential Telugu bride, it's truly an art that requires a lot of attention to detail and tradition. And that is exactly why I am here at Joya Lucas, a treasure trove of exquisite South Indian jewelry to help Spandana and her mom find a perfect piece of jewelry to complete her wedding day look. So let's come along and find out. So we have selected these three pieces. What exactly are you looking for, Spandana? I would really like something that would go along well with my Kanjivaram sari. But at the same time, I'd want something that matches my personality too. Modern, chic, and also very versatile, right? I mean, I know it's wedding jewelry, but I'm not going to be wearing it just once. Let's try them on and see how it goes. What do you think, Mama?
This is very, very beautiful.
I quite like it too. And I haven't seen anything like this before. Quite like it. But I'd really like something that's closer to my face and that's a...
Yeah, that's what I also thought, that it's very long that way. It should be closer to the neck.
Yeah, and it takes all the attention away from my face. But let's check out the other ones. Oh, very nice. I actually like it better on me once I try it than on the display. I didn't think I'd like it, but I'm very pleasantly surprised.
The finishing is nice.
Antique finishing.
Antique finishing.
But I guess my only worry is we also got to see how it's going to complement the saris. So I guess we have to try another one out. think it's brilliant.
Very beautiful laid.
And also the combination of the emeralds and the rubies, I think it makes it extremely versatile, right?
Wow.
I think the Papatabilla takes the entire look up by a notch, right? I really like how it sits on my forehead. I really see it going really, really well on both the saris. Yeah.
It's just so perfect.
Yeah. And you see how it's all going well.
Yeah.
The pearls and everything. It all looks like one cohesive. Kada, do you think we could get this, Mama?
Yes, of course, Chinada. Let's take it.
This is it. Done.
Rooted in the rich tapestry of Telugu traditions, Spandana's wedding is a celebration of heritage, culture, and elegance. To complement these traditions, she has chosen 2 pieces from the Pride Diamond Collection by Joya Lucas. Each dazzling piece symbolizes her individuality and strength, seamlessly blending with the bridal ensemble. Her choice reflects her roots while exuding timeless elegance, helping her embrace every aspect of tradition and radiate as a perfect Telugu bride. Spandana's big day is finally here. After months of planning and excitement, she is ready to complete her stunning look with the sari that she chose and the beautiful Joya Lucas jewelry set that completes her transformation into a traditional Telugu bride. I can't wait to see her as she steps into a special moment with grace and elegance. It's looking very pretty, very pretty. Could you tell us a little bit about your jewelry that you're wearing?
So each of this jewelry has its own importance. So the Papatabilla, which stops right here, right above your head, it's supposed to connect you with the divine. The necklaces are supposed to signify prosperity, and the waist belt is supposed to signify fertility. It's one of the most important pieces for a Telugu bride, which we call Vardhanam. A bitter leaf with the cumin and jaggery on it that the bride and the groom place on each other's heads. So the whole rustle is a promise that to make to each other, that in both in good times and bad times, how you're going to stay together. The Mangala Sutra in the Telugu tradition. It's a thread, it's a yellow thread that's smeared with turmeric on it that the guy ties around the girl's neck. And these 3 knots are representative of Manasa, Vacha and Karmana. Manasa, your thoughts, Vacha, your words, and Karmana, your actions.
In a world where trust and love stand the test of time, some traditions shine brighter than ever. Just like Joy Lucas has been a hallmark of trust. Spandana and Shashant's story reflects the same timeless values, commitment, resilience and faith in each other. With every piece of jewelry, Joy Lucas celebrates not just milestones but the promise of forever, just like your love.